Shabadan, and I'm 9 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer. It may be challenging and full of hardships, but it is a fulfilling job. A job that helps innocent people fight their right as an individual and a citizen, either good or bad. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is John MacGyver Tiopadan. I'm 7 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer because I have the eagerness to promote equality between rich and poor. I want to fight justice that everyone deserves. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Maisel Pinakyo Habadan. I'm 5 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a policewoman